Hello, I wanted to share with you my Saltillo tile cleaning experiment. If you've ever had this problem with Saltillo tile where outdoor you've used a lot of product on it to create a nice pretty shine over the years, there's really no way to get that shine off of there because basically it's just a thin film of plastic. So your choices would be to sandblast it off or use some type of very strong chemical or just remove it altogether. Well, there's actually another way. You can use a hot flame and a scraper. That's right, no chemicals, just a whole lot of fun and a lot of work, but it's well worth it. In the next couple of slides, I'll show you which tools to use, how to use them, some safety gear you definitely want to have as well, and also some before and after photos. So hopefully this will solve your problem like it did for me. Took many years of trying to figure out what to do, and now we have beautiful Saltillo tile once again. Okay, so the main tool you'll be using in this project is the Benzomatic Map Pro burner. I recommend this over the regular propane burner because it's much hotter. You can find this at any of your big box hardware stores. As you notice, I've got it in a bucket only because it will fall over, and in the bucket it's easy to move around and keep it behind you as you're doing the project. Now then, at the end of the burner you're going to want to attach some sort of a nozzle. I chose this Benzomatic, I guess it's about a 6-foot hose, flexible, with a easy to use on-off switch. It also has a button to keep it on for an extended period of time. I highly recommend this over the other items that you can find in the store. The other tool you'll need outside of the burner is a scraper, and this is the most basic scraper you can find. I've tried the other ones that are wider or stiffer, but the problem is the type of texture and surface that's on the tile requires you to have a thin blade that's fairly narrow. That's why you can get away with this easy to use cheap blade. Make sure to wear a good breathing mask, goggles, and gloves.